here at Columbus, Georgia, at the wintering grounds, Columbus, Georgia, where the World Freestyle Kayaking Championships are held. And the wintering grounds here is it's more than just a place to train. It's a place to stay and essentially live for a short period of time, whether it's of the weekend, the week, the month. A lot of people are working out of their trailers. Here's Eric Jackson at Apex. He's working out of a trailer, moving here. And the seamstress over there, Haley, and then Steven and Clay Wright. They're both living here during the winter months, training here. Steven started a company called Dream Boats. It's based here. And it's a somewhat of a, it is 100% a little community of kayakers and paddlers that train here during the winter months internationally, that come to enjoy paddling and being together. So, in the wintering grounds, and it's pretty much a dirtbag paradise. Everything you need: showers, running water, place to do dishes, and kayaking gear storage, and more kayaking gear storage. So part of the excitement of Columbus is waiting until the wave is in. And the wave is in when the hydroelectric dams release water. It's normally at low levels during the day. Towards the end of the day, it usually goes up as demand goes up. I was upriver at a smaller wave, smaller levels, and it got washed out. So I know a lot of water's coming. Sirens went off too. So good wave is going to be in probably half hour. So we'll see if I'm one of the first people to surf it, first people to get here. I am here, and good wave is, I think, already in. And there's literally no kayakers around, so that's fucking sweet. And I caught it to myself for now. And now, there's just a handful of people. Of course, Kate and Eric are here. And it is fucking cold.